Using the CyberArk web portal, also known as the PVWA, you can view and sort your accounts list and securely connect to a variety of systems and applications such as Windows machines, SSH devices, databases, and more. From the CyberArk web portal, select your organization's authentication method. Log in as a user with permissions to view and connect to accounts. By default, you will see a list of all the accounts that you are authorized to access. In this example, you can see Windows accounts only. You can filter the accounts list in the Views tab, My Accounts, with the following options. Recently used. A list of the accounts you recently used. Favorites. View accounts that you use frequently with a single click. This list is personal to each user, and accounts are added and removed from it manually. Checked out. View accounts that have been checked out. You can also filter the list by status. Disabled by CPM. A list of accounts that have been disabled automatically by the CPM and are not currently managed automatically. Failed. A list of accounts that could not be managed successfully by the CPM, resulting in an error. Newly added. A list of new accounts that were added to PAM. Disabled by user. A list of accounts that have been disabled manually by users and are not currently managed automatically by the CPM. You can modify the default view by clicking here. Use the search box to search for specific accounts. You can specify multiple keywords. Your recent searches appear in the Recent tab. You can save them for later use. And find them in the Saved tab. Minimize and expand the filter section here. Based on your permissions, you may or may not be allowed to show and copy the account password. Click Connect to launch a secure connection to the target machine. Enter or select a reason for connection. You can also connect through an HTML5 gateway if applicable. This option opens a new tab on your browser instead of downloading an RDP file. For users who have access to Linux accounts, the process is the same. Click the RDP file to launch a single sign-on connection. You are now connected to the Linux target machine. Now you know how to view and connect with privileged accounts using the CyberArk web portal. For more information, check out our online resources.